Hi guys! So day 7 vlog na ako. So for today's video, welcome back to my channel. So ayun, hanap na si mami ng Christmas light sa akin. So ayan. So maghanap na si mami ng Christmas light sa akin. So mamaya ako magde-decor ng Christmas light ko. Kasi bare months na, September. Ayan, pagdating na December, kaya Christmas na yan, Pasko na. So bubuksan natin yan kasi pagkakulit ko kasi so kung ano yung malaman natin. Stay tuned and let's go! Okay, ito ang yung laman natin guys, Christmas light. Ayan. Ito, no brand to. Ito, ang brand niya, JR. 100 LED to. Ayan, ito yung dalawang variants ng Christmas light. Ang color, rainbow, tsaka daylight or white. So, sabi nito yung DC, ang variants ko, rainbow, tsaka color white. Shout out to DC, number to us, thank you so much for LED to. Ayan, controller to. So, try natin siya, guys. So, let's go! Christmas light number 1. Nasarado ng flashlight ko. So, saksak natin ang Christmas light number 1. Ayan, let's go! Uy. Uy, wala po. Wait lang.
A few moments later.
Eto na. Ito yung white outlet ko. So, try natin ang Christmas light number 1. Subukan natin, guys. Let's go! 2. Ayun. Color to. Color. Grabe, oh. Ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng Christmas light ko, oh. Perfect! Egon, are you happy for my Christmas lights? Because it's so bright. It's very awesome. Wow, ganda, oh. Color. Ayan, color siya. Ayan. Ito, ang Christmas light number 1 is color. So, subukan natin ang Christmas light number 2. Let's go! Ito na ang Christmas light number 2. Ayan na. Boom! Daylight. Wow. Ganda, oh. Color white na siya, guys. Daylight to. Liwanag yun, eh. Parang LED bulb to, eh. Ang liwanag, oh. Parang for white Christmas to, eh. White Christmas. Daylight to, eh. Ganda. malapit ng Pasko. Ang excited na ako kasi malapit na mag-Christmas eh. Ganda yung Christmas light ko eh. Ito, try natin yung blink version. Ito, blink mode. Try natin yung blink. Para, ayan, ito yung blink. Gumana siya. So, sunod natin ang yung fade ulit. Excuse me po. Maganda to guys. Good quality to. Mas perfect sa Christmas tree, sa outdoor, sa kwarto, pwede yan. Ito, sunod natin, blink din. Ayun, blink na yan, guys. Ayan, parang magpa-disco-disco yung Christmas light eh. Parang di-disco-disco. Ayan. At lastly is pwedeng, ayan, pwedeng naging normal Christmas light to.
The snow is falling softly, like it knows our name. Lights are glowing warmly, but this year feels the same. I'm staring out the window, wondering where you are.
So,
The empty chair beside me tells me you've gone
etong
too
color na to,
far.
parang magumana natin yung
The tree
dalawa.
stands tall with memories,
So, dapat nalagay
ornaments
natin
we made.
sa end plug.
I
Ito
can
yung end
almost
plug
hear
natin.
your laughter
End plug.
in the
Ito
holiday
yung dyan
parade.
sasak yung
But tonight
isang
there's a
Christmas light sa-
silence I can't seem to shake.
yan, dyan
I
na-
wish
Christmas
you'd
light.
come back home
Stay
for
tuned,
Christmas sake.
Ready
I'll
magumana.
make my Christmas list,
So,
wishing you'd return.
ready?
Light the
Gumana tayo.
fire, let it burn. It's not
Ayan,
the
nagumana na
gift,
isa guys.
it's you I miss.
Merry Christmas.
Right here beside me,
Ito,
Christmas
tayo natin sa normal.
bliss.
The carols bring me back, the scent of pine and spice. I wrap my feelings tight, hoping for one more night. The streets are crowded, but I'm lost in thought, wishing for the love that time has caught.
Christmas has a way of healing, just like you said. It's the time we let go of the words we left unsaid. I make my Christmas list, wishing you'd return. Light the fire, let it burn. It's not the gifts, it's you I miss. Right Christmas bliss.
I'm so excited now.
Snowflakes fall, remind me of your touch. If I could wish, it would be so much. Come back home, hold me near. Let's make this Christmas perfect, my dear.
I make my Christmas list, wishing you'd return. Light the fire, let it burn. It's not the gifts, it's you I miss. Right here beside me, Christmas bliss.
It's you and me under the tree this Christmas time, just you and me.
Ayan, gumana sila ng Christmas light, guys. Ayan, Merry Christmas to all, everyone. Christmas. Maraming salamat po sa vlog ko. Please like, comment, share, and Facebook page. And subscribe na sa YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. And paalam, guys. See you! Bye-bye! Dedecor natin mamaya. Thanks for watching.